Thank you for your time, Minister. You
You're
have been
welcome.
in this place. What did you find out?
So we just arrived here at Mythos restaurant at Waterfall. We are a team of the Department of Employment and Labour inspectors, Department of Home Affairs, Immigration inspectors, the Department of Police, which is SAPS. So as we arrived here, we are told there are few employees who ran away. We suspect it's because they knew that they don't have a permit to be here. But we found other employees who have visitors' visas that are not allowing them to get employment in South Africa. They are actually written in bold. Not allowed for employment. It's not allowed for you to get employment. So we had to deal with that. Home Affairs dealt with that and handed them over to SAPS. And also the employer now has a responsibility to ensure that whoever gets to be employed in his or her business is a legal citizen or has at least legal documents if then is somebody who comes from outside the country. So we are dealing with the employer himself. He's been taken in for questioning. And again, the employees that are here, we find out that there are I would say fake unions that are coming to recruit them to join. So we want to just advise South Africans, the employees, that when you join a union, you must make sure that it's a union that is recognized and registered with the Department of Employment and Labour. Already, Bargaining Council, because we are with the Bargaining Council, is dealing with that particular issue, advising employees, looking at their standing, including what they discovered that in this restaurant, unfortunately, the tip is almost recognized as part of the salaries, actually even appearing in the pay slip, which is not supposed to happen.